Hello guys, welcome to another blocktime news, and as always, let's start. So the first piece of news for today is the new ICO on the NEM platform, which is called Eroyi. I believe I'm spelling it right. So as you can see about this name already, it's the payment method of the adult industry, and it should be anonymous and safe. And why am I speaking about it? Because it's based on the NEM blockchain. And what does it mean? Probably just the NEM token. And I don't really know how it may be anonymous and safe, because NEM is like one of the less anonymous coins out there. And you can very easily track it, and I don't know why those creators picked the NEM. Maybe because it's the easiest blockchain to incorporate the ICO into, and maybe that's why. But yeah, I don't have idea. So they started some kind of pre-ICO. As always, some nice lady, as in all adult industry ICOs. What's super interesting is like exchanges we are contacting tab. They are contacting many exchanges, and I would give you the chances that this coin will go into those exchanges near zero. So yeah, they have like yeah, as they written, they have goals and strong partners, but it's like I'm not sure. It's like they posted just all the companies that are doing something regarding cryptocurrency, or something regarding the adult industry, and it's all. So I'm not so much interested in this ICO. And what's even more, there is a roadmap, and as most of those ICOs, they are just planning to do something in future, launch of the app, launch the debit card as always, release this coin on exchanges, and accept this on 10 large corporations. And I don't think it will happen, because yeah, they don't even have any demo or something like that. So they are just doing standard ICO for gathering money, and that's all. So I'm not so much interested in this one. I would like to see some kind of demo or something like that. Another piece of news is that Loyalcoin ICO, which I'm supporting heavily because I like this project, they sold out a few hours before end of their ICO, and Patrick Palacios from the Loyalcoin ICO, he is the CEO of it. He just written some kind of small note that they are working hard, and yeah, they are asking for continuous supporting this project. And being honest, I will, because as I said many times, I'm totally into this project. I believe it's one of the best proposition currently for the NEM platform. One of the best use of this blockchain, and I will be following it and supporting it as much as I can. So that was all for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button underneath. As always, hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. More daily videos are coming. We need to survive those hard times and like wait for the better ones. But anyway, it's like I love doing those videos, and I will do them regardless of the price. So thanks again, and see you tomorrow. Bye.